I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer your eSIM to a new Android device on Bell, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before activation, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Back up your current device. Before starting the transfer, back up your current device to avoid losing any important data. You can use Google Drive or any other backup service. Step 3. Remove eSIM from old device. Go to your old device's settings, find the mobile network section, and remove the eSIM profile. This is crucial for a successful transfer. Quick gotcha: if you don't remove the eSIM, you might face issues activating it on your new device. Step 4. Get the QR code from Bell. Contact Bell customer service or log into your account to obtain the QR code needed to activate the eSIM on your new device. Step 5. Activate eSIM on new device. On your new Android, go to Settings, select Network and Internet, then Mobile Network, and choose Add Carrier. Scan the QR code you received. Once you've completed these steps, your eSIM should be successfully transferred to your new Android device. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Bell support for assistance. Happy connecting!